Notion isn't just a tool that you go to once a week or once a month, some dashboard that you dig into. They're tools that you live in, and that matters. We think it's really important for the people that are building to have a lot of time to build and to not be stuck in tons of meetings. And Notion helps us stay in sync without having a lot of coordination overhead. We were able to start with the bare bones defaults of a wiki. And then as we've scaled, now we have teams and organizations building their own pages, building their own dashboards, building their own databases. And I think keeping people in the loop as more and more people join is really difficult. And we felt the benefits of AI in Notion as we've gone from a few people to over 100 people very quickly. Having the ability to move data around, manipulate it as you want without touching code is definitely in line with the mission of democratizing software access. And it's something that we think about a lot for Cursor, and it comes through in Notion. Using the best tools, using the most AI native tools is an important competitive advantage for us to stay small while doing a lot. We're moving away from a world where communication was very siloed and really corresponded to reporting lines towards one where everything's accessible and people up and down the organization can contribute. And I think Notion helps you do that in a low overhead way.